Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my first impressions on the Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick Intense Longwear Black Felt Tip Eyeliner. And this is obviously in black. Now, as you guys know, if you've been watching me for ages, I have been absolutely obsessed with the e.l.f. Intense Liquid Eyeliner. Intense Ink Eyeliner from e.l.f. That has been a fantastic black eyeliner. I've also been obsessed with the L'Oreal Superstay, I think it's their new cat wing eyeliner. That's such a great eyeliner. They're both pure black. They both glide on the eyes really easily. You can create easy wings with either of them. The L'Oreal one I find is fantastic for beginners because it has the stencil with it, which is good for anyone who's learning to do an eyeliner. So I have heard this explode all over the internet. Well, this was probably ages ago. I'm very late to the trend, guys. I'm very late to the trend. I'm going to be trying my first impressions on this eyeliner and seeing what I think of it and my first thoughts. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below, where I tend to upload my little bit of content here and there and all that stuff. Any fun stuff, just uploading it all on there. So let us get started and try on this eyeliner from Makeup Revolution, the Renaissance Flick Black Eyeliner. So the eyeliner retails for £5 on the Superdrug website and the Revolution Beauty website. And you can also get this eyeliner also on Beauty Bay. What can we say about the eyeliner? It's a really, really nice eyeliner. I like the bronzy colour. I love the packaging. It feels quite luxury actually for £5. It does feel really, really luxury. As you open it, you've got a very, very small felt tip black eyeliner. And as I was stroking it, I found the formula quite controllable. Like, the more pressure you put on it, the thicker the line gets. The more light pressure you push on the eyeliner, the thinner the line gets. So it is quite controllable. You can make it as thick or as thin as you like. I also like the fact the lid clips on. Do you know what I mean? It's just, I know that's just a little thing, but personally I think that's a really nice idea they've added onto this packaging, because it shows that it's really secure and it's not going to fall off, it's not going to dry out. You can tell that it's going to be proper secure, and you can shake it as well. So it's got a little ball inside, so you can really shake it up. I love the packaging. I love the eyeliner. I like how black it was. It's got a tiny bit of shine to it, so it's not, because as the light, it looks matte, but as the light reflects on it, you can see a tiny little bit of shine on it. So it's not fully matte, but it's pure black. It's not grey or patchy. It's pure black, which I love. I don't mind if it has a bit of shine to it. I don't mind if my eyeliners are matte or non-matte, as long as they are pure black, pigmented, they go on well, they're not patchy, it won't bald up. That's fine by me. I did use their previous eyeliner that came out before this one, which was the Revolution liner. That's the one in the black box. I didn't mind that eyeliner, but personally you had to keep wetting it for it to work because it dried out so quickly. And personally, who'd want to keep doing that? Because personally, I would want to keep wetting it every time. Now, if you guys have seen, I've already done my eyebrows, I've done my foundation, I've done my lipstick, I've done a very simple eye look because I want the eyeliner to be the main feature. So I've just done a little bit of cream contouring. Yeah, let's go ahead and try this on the eyes. Okay, so I brought you guys a little bit closer than what I usually do, so that way you can actually see the eyeliner being applied on. Right, I'm going to apply the eyeliner to this eye. I'm going to create a dramatic wing on both eyes, and I might even screw up a little bit on purpose as well, so we can see how well it cleans up, because I find sometimes when you clean up your eyeliner, the eyeliner goes all streaky and patchy and it kind of falls apart. So that's a bit of a shame if it does that, but we'll see. So I'm going to give it a little shake. It's a very small tip, so I'm going to film this as best I can because I'm not that good at filming eyeliner. So let us just start doing this eye. So, oh, that was very black. I also want to see if it feathers out as well, see if it all doesn't feather out. So I'm going to leave a little patch there because I'm going to see if I go over it and see if it goes patchy when it dries. So, okay. Okay, it's feathered out just a little bit here, feathered a little bit, but nothing serious. So I'm going to start doing the wing. So I'm going to aim for the eyebrow. Yeah, I apologise if I'm not talking very much, it's just very hard to concentrate. But you guys can see what I'm doing. Well, I must say, that is very, very black. So it's still got that, you can see that bit of a shine to it. So we'll see how that dries down and then we can clean it up. Right, I'm going to do the other eye now. I'm going to see how we do the other eye. So I haven't shaked it, by the way, because I want to see how well it glides on without shaking it. That's still quite black, and I haven't shaken it up. Well, shaken it up, sorry. So that's still quite black. Well, I mean, still quite wet, sorry. What I like about that little tip is you can really get in that waterline. You can really get in there. Okay, I've definitely screwed up on this eye than I have with this eye, but then the true test will come, you see. So if we use a concealer, we'll see how well it cleans it up. Okay, it has accidentally transferred on my lid, but that was my fault. I did blink and it kind of did go on my lid a little bit, but it's no problem. We'll wait for it to dry and then we can put our eyeshadow on top of it. But let's see how well it cleans up. So I'm just going to grab just my usual concealer on a very small little flat brush, and then we'll see how well it cleans up. So, oops, nearly stabbed my microphone then. Whoops. Okay, that's cleaning up nicely. That's cleaning up really nicely, actually. As I was cleaning it up, it did ball up a little bit here, but it actually was just flaking it away. It wasn't necessarily making it patchy or anything. So let's see what it's like when I put it on top. Let's see if it actually will ball up when I make the eyeliner, well, thinner to make it even. No, it's not balling up or anything. I'm just literally going on top of the little gaps which I've missed. No, that's not doing anything. I'm just trying to fill in the gaps. No, that's not balling up at all. Well, I'm really happy about that. It's not balling up on this side either. All I'd say is if you're applying it, just be a bit careful. When you apply your eyeliner, make sure you really fan it dry first, because otherwise you're going to do something which I've done on the other side where it transferred. So just be a little bit careful. Wait for it to dry, add more if you need to, you know, all that jazz. This is what my eyeliner looks like. So I'm literally now just adding a little bit of eyeshadow just to cover up that blackness there. I think that's covered it up quite well. Obviously it's pure black, so it's going to be very, very hard to cover it up. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm going to pop a little bit of an eyeliner on top of it. I'm going to add an eyeliner, a glitter eyeliner, which I know is my absolute favourite, and it goes on so nicely. I'm going to apply that on top of it, and I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts of, does it work well on top or does it mush up? I'll let you guys know. That is it, guys. This is the completed look. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a little bit short today, but I really wanted to show my first impressions of this eyeliner. So I wanted to film this on camera for you guys so you guys can see it for yourselves as well before I even try it. What do I think about this eyeliner? Well, first off, the packaging is A+. The packaging is fantastic. I love the clicking mechanism. I love the fact it just clicks on so securely, so you know that your eyeliner is not going to dry out. I like the little ball inside, so it keeps it very wet. It stops it from drying out. It is a very wet formula, but once it dries down, it's absolutely fine. It doesn't dry down completely matte, but that doesn't bother me. If you like a completely matte finish, then but I think you could probably still get away with this because it's not like shiny, if you know what I mean. You can get more shinier liquid eyeliners on the high street, but this is nowhere comes under that at all. So for people who love matte liquid eyeliners, you can definitely get away with this. I was a bit skeptical because as I swatched it, as you guys know, it did kind of feather out in the lines a little bit, so I got a little bit worried that it might just go everywhere, but it turns out it didn't. Once you apply it and once you fan, but be warned, you have to keep your eyes closed and fan it dry. If you don't, it will transfer. It is budge proof. I have tested it by rubbing it with my finger and it's not coming off. I have tried applying some water on it and it does come off a little bit, but nothing serious. So yeah, this eyeliner is not waterproof. It's not waterproof at all, but it is budge proof. It is budge proof, so if you accidentally scratch your eye or something, it's not going to come off. So that's a good sign. But it is water resistant, I would say. So if it's chucking down with rain, it won't come off. So I've had eyeliners before where they've just completely come off in the rain, but this, if it's chucking down with rain, it won't come off. If you itch your eye, however, while it's raining, then it will smudge everywhere. Would I recommend this eyeliner? Absolutely. Does it beat the other two ones I love? Well, I'm not entirely sure, to be honest, because I like those two a lot. So, but it definitely comes under the list. Definitely. If you're on a budget and you need a good black eyeliner, especially a felt tip one, definitely grab that one. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description box down below if you want to follow me there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.